you though. Just came in. 2019 Sonata Sport. As you can see, it's white. Okay. So, a few things I want to show you. This has just a little under 20,000 on it. So pretty new, actually. What you got right here is your blind spot detection. We have heated seats. It's a mixture between cloth and leather, so you get the best of both worlds if you don't know what you want. Driver has powered seats with lumbar support. And you'll have your built-in Apple CarPlay. You got a heated steering wheel, heated seats, like I mentioned. Okay. Just want to show you the spacious back. And this is also equipped with our smart trunk, which I don't know why, but I didn't turn it on to show you. Like I said, pretty dirty, just came in. One of the greatest things about buying a used Hyundai is it's almost always on warranty. So this is it. This is a 19. It's got about 4 years left on her. So let me know when you want to come see it. My name's Lea Dula. See you down Murray Hyundai.